Hey guys, it's Hiker Guy here, and I'm excited because it's finally springtime, which means that as the time goes on, our plant life's going to start growing and we're going to start putting out a whole lot more videos. So today we're just out here and I wanted to thank you for getting us up to 50 subscribers so far. We're out here enjoying our time by this beautiful river, and we found some pretty interesting signs out here, so if you want we can walk along here and we're going to show you some signs of some beaver life that we found. Alright, so me and my cameraman were walking around earlier, and all of a sudden we were looking at this big beautiful tree over there, and we noticed that the whole thing on the bottom is chewed out, and next to it are a couple of dams. So figured while we're out here, and it's, you know, the first day in spring, we can show you a few signs that we found of the beaver around. So the first one, as you can see, we've got a bunch of wood piled up all around here, and this tree here that's fallen over, once we get back over to the other side, you're going to see it's actually chewed out, and that's why it's fallen over. So here we are back on the other side, and now that we're over here, we can show you a little bit more clearly of what I was talking about. As you come over here, you'll see that we have a bunch of logs that are chewed out completely. Beaver probably took those for his house somewhere. As you can actually see, the logs on the other side now are actually layered all the way across here. Then this is the log I was showing you earlier that we can now take a good quick exam on. You see the whole top part here is rounded off. You can almost see the teeth marks in it. And then down here you see the same thing. So as the beaver was chewing on this, it probably split, scared the beaver, and he ran off, left the tree. So as you can see here, we got a big old tree. My hand can easily fit in here, you know, it's big space. Beaver's been chewing on this guy for quite a while. And right here next to it, we've got a big old dam, and right over on the other side, there's another one. We were just out here hiking around when we happened to notice that, hey, this whole big tree is chewed out. That's pretty awesome. And from there, we started looking around. We found a whole bunch of signs of beavers, but we've yet to see them anywhere. We did come across these beautiful turkey tail mushrooms. Now, turkey tail are very interesting because they're a versicolor mushroom. So as you can see here, we've actually got multiple colors. We've got blue turkey tail, we've got some red turkey tail, although they're a little bit faded, turning white. So these actually are from last year, but these are a medicinal mushroom that we're going to be looking to later on in the season as they're growing, and I can actually show you the process of how to make them into tinctures and such. So for now, I just wanted to show you that, you know, as we're out here in nature in the springtime, we're going to be coming across all kinds of stuff. We're probably going to be showing you a lot of stuff that I didn't intend to in one video, just because, you know, you never know what you're going to find when you're out in the woods. Hey guys, it's early spring and that's my thing. Don't forget to subscribe to Hiker Guy, smash that like button, and turn on that notification bell.